On today's video, we're making a Tex-Mex Smash Burger. Hey everybody, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. Because on today's video, we're knocking out the Tex-Mex Smash Burger. And this one, I'm excited for. You know, on the last video we did the Wagyu Smash Burger, and it was so freaking good. We thought, hey man, we like burgers, you like burgers, let's do burgers. So we're gonna do a little burger series, and this is video 2 in that series, and we're gonna knock out a Tex-Mex Smash Burger. We're gonna grill some onions, some jalapenos, we got some guacamole, some roasted salsa, and this is just stuff we bought at the store. Let's keep it simple, man. We're not building friggin' watches. We do have some, this is my favorite hot sauce, Tapatio. So we made some, what did you call it? Hot sauce mayo, spicy mayo? I just call it spicy mayo. All right. And we have some 4 quarter-pound patties and Texas toast. So, hey man, let's just jump right into it. Man, I brought the paper towels for these rigs. These are gonna be awesome. They're gonna be probably a little bit too spicy for most people, so don't go down in the comments and say, man, he covered them with jalapenos. No kidding, man, that's what men do. That's what men do. But on that side note, why don't you leave me a comment? What kind of burgers do you like? So go down and leave me a comment. Let's just dig right into these suckers. Let me get this turned around for you, bro. See that? Look at that. That, my friend, is a Tex-Mex burger. Let's just dive right in. Right off the bat, the grilled onions and jalapenos kick in. Then you taste that meat. And then the avocado cools that down just a little bit, and then pow, right in the mouth with the salsa. Woo! And that spicy mayo, man, Tapatio. Good for you, man, good for you. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. As always, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. This one's money, son. This one is money.